Are you searching for the best stand mixers? In this video, I'll show you my top 5 stand mixers that I tested this year. All product links are in the description box below. Number 5. Okma Stand Mixer. I recently tested the Okma Stand Mixer, 6.5 QD, black, and I have to say, it really surprised me in the best way. For a budget-friendly mixer, it delivers solid performance and functionality that easily rivals more expensive brands. The 660W copper motor packs a punch and handles everything from whipping cream to kneading bread dough. I especially liked the 6-speed options with a pulse function, which gave me control for different recipes. The 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl is generously sized, big enough for large batches of cookie dough or a double loaf of bread, and the dual handles make it easy to carry and pour. The tilt head design makes swapping attachments simple, and the mixer comes with a dough hook, wire whisk, and beater, plus a splash guard that helps prevent messy countertops. I also appreciate the sleek look with the stainless steel trim and blue LED power indicator. It looks modern on the counter. There are a couple of downsides. The mixer isn't dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash the parts. And while the mixer is quieter than some, it's still not silent, especially at higher speeds. Also, the housing is mostly plastic, so it doesn't feel quite as high-end as some premium models. Overall, if you're looking for a powerful and versatile stand mixer without spending a fortune, the Okma is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for home bakers who want size, performance, and style at an affordable price. Number 4. Cuisinart Stand Mixer. I recently tested the Cuisinart Precision Pro Stand Mixer, and it's become a reliable workhorse in my kitchen. With a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl and a powerful 500-watt motor, this mixer handles everything from delicate batters to thick bread dough with ease. What really stood out to me was the 12-speed control. It gives you the precision you need for different tasks, whether you're folding in flour or whipping egg whites to stiff peaks. The tilt-back head makes swapping attachments simple, and it comes with everything you need to get started: a whisk, flat paddle, dough hook, and a splash guard with a pour spout to keep things tidy. At 17 pounds, it's sturdy on the counter and built with durable die-cast metal, which gives it a premium feel. Plus, the bowl and accessories are dishwasher safe, which is a huge time saver. I also love that there are optional attachments like a pasta maker and meat grinder if you want to expand your kitchen tools later. As for cons, it's a bit bulkier than some mixers in this size range, and it doesn't have a timer or digital display. But those are small trade-offs considering the performance and versatility it offers. Overall, if you're looking for a mid-range stand mixer that delivers solid power, precision control, and long-term durability, the Cuisinart SM50BC is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for serious home cooks who want pro-level results without breaking the bank. Number 3. KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. I recently tested the KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, and it's easy to see why this model is a long-time favorite. With its sturdy all-metal construction and 59 touch points for even mixing, this mixer feels rock-solid and built to last. The 4.5-quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for everyday baking. I made a big batch of chocolate chip cookies, about 8 dozen, with no trouble at all. The tilt-head design makes it easy to add ingredients or swap out attachments, and the 10-speed control gives you enough range for everything from gently folding ingredients to whipping cream. Included in the box are a flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip, which handle most recipes with ease. I also love that KitchenAid has over 10 optional attachments, sold separately, so you can turn this into a pasta maker, meat grinder, or even an ice cream machine down the line. A few things to keep in mind: it's a bit heavier at 22 pounds, so it's not super portable. And while the 4.5-quart bowl is great for small to medium batches, it may be too small if you're baking for a crowd. Overall, if you're a home baker looking for a reliable, well-built mixer without spending top dollar, the KitchenAid Classic is a fantastic choice. It offers timeless performance, flexibility, and quality at a price that's easy to justify. Number 2. KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer. I recently tested the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt-head stand mixer, and it's honestly one of the most versatile and stylish appliances in my kitchen. Right away, I noticed the durable metal construction. This thing is built to last. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfy handle is the perfect size for most home bakers. I easily whipped up 9 dozen cookies in one batch, and cleanup was a breeze since the bowl and attachments are dishwasher safe. The tilt head design makes it easy to add ingredients, and the pouring shield helps prevent flour clouds and batter splatters. With 10 speed settings, I've been able to do everything from slow stirring to high-speed whipping. It comes with a flat beater, dough hook, and wire whisk, which have covered all my basic needs so far. One big plus is the compatibility with over 10 optional attachments, from pasta rollers to meat grinders, which adds even more value over time. And let's not forget the design. The almond cream finish is gorgeous and brings a warm, vintage vibe to my countertop. A couple of things to consider: at 24 pounds, it's heavy, so I keep it on the counter. And while it's not the cheapest mixer, you're paying for quality and long-term durability. Overall, the KitchenAid Artisan series is a fantastic investment for serious home cooks and bakers. It's powerful, beautiful, and endlessly useful, and worth every penny in my book. Number 1. KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. I recently tested the KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer, and it's hands down the most powerful mixer I've ever used at home. If you do serious baking or large batch cooking, this mixer is a game changer. With its 7-quart capacity, I was able to mix 13 dozen cookies and knead over 8 pounds of bread dough in one go, no more splitting recipes into smaller batches. The bowl lift design adds extra stability when working with heavy doughs, and the 3-point locking system keeps everything secure. What impressed me most is the 11-speed control, especially the unique 1/2 speed, which gently folds in delicate ingredients like whipped egg whites or berries without crushing them. The included double flex edge beater scrapes the bowl clean as it mixes, huge time saver. It comes with all the essentials: a flat beater, dough hook, 11-wire whip, and pouring shield. And while it's not dishwasher safe, cleanup wasn't too difficult with a quick soak and rinse. Now, a couple of things to consider: this mixer is heavy, 29 pounds, and tall, so it's best suited for a permanent counter spot with enough clearance. And yes, it's more expensive than entry-level mixers, but the professional-grade performance more than justifies the cost. Overall, the KitchenAid 7-quart bowl lift mixer is ideal for passionate home bakers or small-batch professionals. It's powerful, efficient, and built to handle big jobs, worth every penny if you need serious mixing power.